Shanti. And today's topic is go in the depth of silence. How to go into depth of silence actually. The silence is what? There are two types of silence. One is called dead silence. Do not create any thought. Suppress your mind. Control your mind. How long? For a few seconds. But in this university, this unique spiritual university in the whole world, this university, it is taught here, what is silence? It is called sweet silence. And here meditation is also sweet silence, not dead silence. Do not control your mind. Do not suppress your mind. But what to be done? Convince your mind. Mind is naughty. Mind will create many things. Many thoughts will come. But over that, there is one more power called intellect. And that is the heart of the soul. Sometimes we use this word, I love you from my true heart. This heart is not loving. It is physical. It is just pumping the blood. The heart is understanding power, is in intellect. It is a spiritual name, but we use in physical language. When we are in physical conscious, body conscious, then we used to say, I love you from true heart. And we used to show not this heart. Now, after coming in this university, the supreme teacher, he is giving this spiritual knowledge, not physical, spiritual. So there is one power, when this spirit, when this energy is creating thoughts, we call it is mind. After that, there is one more power called intellect. Whatever is coming from the mind, intellect will give decision. This thought is good for my personality or not. I have to use this thought or not. First, intellect will give decision on that thought. So intellect is called, in another language, it's the heart of the soul. So whenever we listen many things, listening, reading is not everything. We read and we listen, we forget. That's why it is said, after listening, after reading what we have understood. We read many things. We listen, we collect plenty information from the whole world. But we never use it. So there is no change in our attitude, in our behavior. Our old habits and scars, till they are working. I know I should not, I do not like it. After coming in this university, after knowing this spiritual knowledge, I accept, I understand. Anger is not good for my personality. I do not like it. But just listening is not everything. I have to work on that. So how to work? That's why it is said, Sometimes after listening, after reading, we understand. I accept it till there is no change. So accepting or understanding is not everything. After that, I have to work on that. That is called a systematic effort will bring a change. We realize when you listen Baba's Murli, when you listen this spiritual knowledge, we realize this is good, this is bad. I should not do this. Realizing itself is not everything. After that, I have to do something. That is called sometimes, day and night, we do effort. I want to change this. I want to change this. Effort is also not everything. One more word is necessary, one more step. And what is that? System. Systematic effort will give us success. We are going to achieve. So what is this system taught in this spiritual university? Silence is a power. With this power, we can change our past behavior, sanskars, attitude. It is a power. Even if you increase this, we can change others also. For that, Baba is telling always, create positive thoughts. At present in this world, we cannot reach all the souls on this globe by words. So it is said, vibrations are more powerful than the words. So which vibrations? Who will create those pure, powerful vibrations? So with these vibrations, I can reach individual souls of the whole globe. So vibrations are more powerful. But who will going to create? How to create? When to create? These things are necessary. So in this university, what is meditation? What is silence? Simple language, influence-proof stage is called silence. And that is 100% perfect meditation in this spiritual university. When I see you all, I go to market, I see many people, till there is no influence on me. It is possible. When I see you, means I am receiving something from you. I will get influence. But what is taught in this university, even though you see, even though you listen something, today Baba said in the Murli, in meditation, who is disturbing you? Not outside sound. Who is disturbing? While when you are listening something, who is disturbing? So here also, when you are in office, in a crowd, or you are alone in your home, or in a big crowd, you are looking, you are coming in contact with others, you are coming in relation with others, till there should not be any influence on me. It is possible? Which is impossible that the spiritual teacher, supreme teacher is teaching, which is not possible, because in management it is taught. That is, what is that? Think positive. How? How long? How to think? I know you. When I see this brother, I cannot say, hello, sister. I cannot deceive myself. I can deceive others. I know him. I see him. And what he is, it will come in my mind. If he has given me too much happiness, too much sorrow, thought will come. So even when the thought comes, do not control it. How long you control? Do not suppress it. Convince that mind. Who will going to convince? And that is what lacking in the whole world education. So the world education is telling lack of spirituality in our education. What is that spirituality? Science has taught to us up to today conscious and subconscious. Is it? Where is intellect? Where is that heart? If suppose something is coming in my mind, when I see you, some thoughts are coming. You do not know. I know it very well. I have to treat. Yes? Who will going to treat? It is very easy to teach others. But it is very difficult to teach the self. Because I know myself. What is going on in my mind? I say it is my mind. I is different. And mind is different. It is my power. Who will going to treat that mind? This is what lacking. So the whole world is telling, I know brother is looking me. He is fully concentrated on me. I said he is fully listening on me. Till if I ask him, oh, I have not understood. So what he is doing now? He is listening, no doubt. Physically he is here. Mentally he is here. But his heart is somewhere else connected. So what he is listening is not understood. So in this university, what is concentration? Anybody knows? Where mind and intellect work together at a time. There is concentration. Otherwise, now we all are sitting here. We are listening, no doubt. We are looking me, no doubt. Till the heart, the intellect is somewhere else. Something it is creating. So what we are listening is not understood, convinced. Understanding power is intellect. And that is the heart of the soul. So where mind and intellect both must work at a time. So how? If you want perfection in your study or any type of profession or any type of prayer, worship, devotion, anything you are doing, in each action, if we want perfection, accuracy, neat cleanness, how it is possible? The concentration is necessary. And in this university, once again, second part, what is that concentration? That is meditation once again. Develop your concentration to achieve perfection in your education or in your profession or any type of work you are doing. There you can achieve success, achievement. With that you will be happy, you will satisfy yourself, and you can make others also. Otherwise still we are working day and night. We are doing effort. but system is not known. Till in the whole world education up to today, it is said in the whole world universities, focus of mind is concentration. It is incomplete definition. So, and what is the perfect definition? The supreme teacher, he is teaching in this spiritual university where mind and intellect must work together. You have to listen as well as what you are listening, that you have to understand. Understanding power is in intellect, and that is the heart of the soul. Now question comes, when you sit in meditation, how to apply this? How to use these two powers to bring together? How to achieve that concentration? To achieve perfection, either in meditation, if you are listening Murli, if you are reading anything, if you are doing any job, if you are cooking, if you are cleaning, in each action, perfection. So, here the Supreme Father is telling, by our own body, mind and wealth, and with my action, we all will bring paradise on this earth, heaven on this earth. How? With our own perfect actions. Not just by listening, just by collecting information. That I have to use it. When I am using, means my each action is neat, clean, accurate. It will give happiness to others. That is paradise. That is heaven. What is in heaven? Where everything is perfect. How? It is not miracle. That supreme teacher is coming and he is teaching in this university. Not just by blessings. He is teaching. One who gives full attention on this education teachings, when you understand, apply your mind and intellect. That is called with full concentration. When you listen, each word is printed. Yes, I understood it. When I understand, when I start working morning to evening, my each action I do not as per my past habit. I will do it as per the present, what is taught to me. Do not see like this way. Do not talk like this way, how you used to talk previously. Do not eat how you used to eat before 10 days, before 1 month, before 1 year before. How you used to walk. Everything is taught now. With this education, when I study, when I understand, my each step, each word, each action is I am using as per the spiritual knowledge. So I am applying it so that I can see change in my behavior, in my lifestyle. Looking to that, I will be happy, peaceful, and those who are observing me, they will also fully convinced, looking to our lifestyle, looking to our behavior. That is what necessary. Not just collecting the information. That's why it is said, eat less, digest more. Listen few things. In the Murli 1 hour, Baba is giving plenty of things. See your ability and capacity. Take one drop of positive thoughts. Think on that. How to apply. How to bring it in actions. Convince yourself. My behavior should not be as previous. Yes, I used to behave. Somebody says something, suddenly I used to irritate. No, you should not do like this way. No, okay. I'm convinced all are having independent role they have to play. I do not have that power to change others' role, to accept it. That was Baba said today in slogan. What Baba said? Tolerate. We know, we see, because all are behaving as per their past behavior. So when I know this, when I convince myself, then my attitude, when I see others, not with old eye, now I see with knowledgeful eye. Okay, it is he like it is his behavior. He is having right, all are having right on this earth. Do not control, do not suppress. All are having independent. As per your will and wish, how long you suppress, how long you convince, how long you control. Do not control yourself, do not control others. Now question comes, how to achieve that silence power? So the system is, whenever you sit early in the morning, Amrut Vela it is said, from 4 to 5, half an hour, 4 to 4:30, depends on our ability and capacity. Baba is telling maximum 1 hour, minimum half an hour, 45 minutes. With aim, when I enter in this hall, where I am going, why I am going, what I have to do. With preparation we have to enter. I am going for this purpose. This is my aim. Similarly, in the evening, 6:30 to 7:30, during this 2 period, whenever I sit, that is called intense meditation. And one more I said before that, think positive, that is also meditation. It is very simple. But it will give, it is called precaution. There are 2 types of diseases. One is physical disease also, one is called chronic. And one is called environmental effects. When you came from abroad to here, if you take ordinary water from the tap, you will get some influence. Just 2-3 tablets you take, you will get cured. It is environmental. One is chronic. I have done certain actions. For that action, I am to suffer. I cannot erase it very easily. It requires power. Because he said, the Supreme Surgeon said, I am the purifier. I am the liberator. I liberate you from this disease. I purify you. So what is that process? So when you sit early in the morning, keep your eye open. That's a very big picture is kept here. Just you see, we close our eye when you are on the bed. But it is not a bed. Here you have to sit alert, which is education. And use your mind and intellect. How? Just to sit. Talk to you. Be introspection. Talk to you. How to talk? What to talk? Just to ask. Because in each murli you see one word is always coming. What is that? Realize yourself as a soul, then remember me. Never said just to remember me. First I have to realize I am a patient, then I go to your doctors. Doctors are not for all. Unless I realize I am a patient, I never go to a doctor. Why I have to do meditation? that first I have to realize I am spiritually ill. What is the proof? If I am having any physical disease, if you go to your doctor, he will show you by X-ray. See, these are the list. These are the diseases you are having. What you have to do, that you have to decide. Here also. So what is the proof? I am spiritually ill. It is possible to show? Yes? How? When I see you, doctors, when you see you, suddenly he will take your photo and he will show you within 2-3 minutes. So here it is, when I see you, I can understand what you are, what type of disease you are having. You can understand by sitting here. Yes. That is, when you are closing your eyes, when you are on the bed. When your eyes are closed, you are not listening, not looking. Dreams are coming from where? If negative dreams are coming, they are coming from where? That is, when I took birth in this world, each second, each action is recorded. And whatever I have recorded, they are emerging in the form of dreams. Then in the form of thoughts. Then in action. Child taking birth itself handicap. What happened? Who has done this? It is my own action. So it is said, for each action there is a reaction. And there is no excuse of ignorance of law of action. You may say, I do not know. Okay, pay for that. Is it? Sometimes I do not know. It has happened. Okay, pay for that. So in advance, Baba is teaching, please give attention. Nothing is necessary. Just to keep attention on your each thought, each action. Okay, all are doing something wrong. It is their role. They will going to record. What I am doing. Whatever I am doing, it is recorded in me. And I have to reap the fruit of it. Because I am responsible. So here, the spiritual father is teaching, just have one day you see, only one day. Because many doctors are giving many medicines. You take this, you will get cure. But nothing is going on. So it should not be here, in this spiritual university. So here, try and tell me tomorrow, very simple, only one day. Because without faith, there is no progress. We read, we listen many things. Oh, it is not possible. It is very easy to teach others, but very difficult. Try tomorrow, listen today, even day start, half days finish, till you try today. Otherwise, tomorrow morning when you wake up from your bed, teach yourself. Feed a new program in your computer. Otherwise, there are many old programs have been given. Now, after coming in this university, feed a new program. What is that? Very simple. Do only one day. When you go tomorrow night, day after tomorrow morning when you wake up, you see not a single negative dream will arise. Not a single negative dream. You will have a sound sleep. Physical and mental rest is a complete rest. How it is? It is not a miracle. It is a system. What is that system? Just early in the morning you wake up, teach yourself what I have to do whole day. Only one work. Only one day. Any human being is coming in front of me, Either he's a small child, he's a very old person, he's my friend, he's my enemy, maybe anybody. I should not leave him with empty hands. I have to give him something. So what you will give? Today, my both hands are empty, pocket is also empty. What I have to do? From where I have to bring? What you will give? Baba said, children, we are not having anything. You are not having anything, but I came not with empty hands. I am your father. I came with all the powers. So it is called Almighty. I came here with all the powers. Whenever you see any soul, he is my child. You cannot do anything to him. He never listens to you. You cannot change him. He is my child. Just request me. Just remember me. I will do. I will help you. And what is that? Any soul, known, unknown, whenever you see from morning to evening, each hour there are 60 minutes, not necessary, it is the maximum. Minimum 1 minute, one thought. 1 hour, one drop of positive thought. Whenever you see any soul, Shubh Baba, he is your child. Give him power of peace. Shubh Baba, he is your child. Give him power of love. Just 1 hour, minimum one positive thought. Not by words, vibrations, thoughts are more powerful. It will reach to any corner of the world. Try, because it is a spiritual laboratory. All scientists, they are also working day and night, doing experiments. So it is a spiritual laboratory. Do not listen and leave it. When you go back, you will see what I have done. What experiment I have done here. What I have learned. What I am carrying along with me. Why I came. So everything is available here. Atmosphere is undisturbed, peaceful, loveful, pin drop silence. In time, food is ready for you. There is no need to think. So how Baba is making free from everything? Only he want to experiment. And very simple. Only one day, whenever you see any soul have a thought, create this habit. Shubh Baba, he is your child. Very good. Give him peace. Because I am not asking give me. I am not begging. Baba said, I came. And I know, but till you are requesting, because when I see him, I should not take anything from him. And to give me, I have to give, but I do not have anything to give. And I am having right on my father. And he has said me, use me. I came to help you, to guide you. You take help. How much you take, it is your fortune. So how to create this? Very simple meditation here. Just one day you do it. See the result. Then you have faith on self. When there is a full faith, there is a progress. Then we can go fast. So experiment is necessary. And that is very simple. Just to go, when you come from class, your room to class, when you are going dining hall, there are many workers also, known, unknown, whenever you see any soul, just have a thought, positive thought. I know him very well. Yesterday he got angry on me, he disturbed me. I know till today. I know him very well. Till I have to teach myself. No, today I should not. Today I have to obey my father's direction. He said today in the Murli, I give direction for the children. What is direction? Think positive. Baba, I cannot think. I know him very well. He has given me lot of too much sorrow to me. I cannot think. Okay, child, you do not think. But you can request me. You can put your hand in my pocket. Do not use your hand in your pocket. Your pocket is empty. Use me. I am along with you. Keep me along with you. I am your friend. I am your companion. I am along with you always. Whenever you want to serve others, use me. It is very simple meditation. One day you try. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, but do not forget the condition. Each 1 minute, 1 hour, 60 minutes are there. Not necessary. Minimum 1 minute, 1 drop of positive thoughts. This attention, one day we can. Then if you are doing one day, it will be practice. Habit will be there. You will have faith. Yes, this tablet is working to cure my disease, very deep-rooted disease. Because mind is root cause for everything. For happiness, for sorrow, for vices. To get angry also, first thought is coming. Yes, he is that person. Then past memory, everything activates. So mind is root cause for everything. Win this mind. How? So very simple technique in this university. So whenever I see you, I should not get influenced by your vibration. You may say sometimes, I do not want to take anything. I do not want to give anything. I want to become neutral. No, it is not possible. Either you give or you take. So what you want to do? You want to take something or you want to give? Who are deities? They are always giving, not taking. So whole day my mind is, you see, peaceful, undisturbed. Because each second, each minute, I am creating positive. Yes, I have to give. And not I am giving anything from my pocket. I remember him. Baba, you give it. He is your child. You guide him. You give him. I am remembering him first. Is it? So he is my friend. He is my companion. He is along with me. So use him whole day. Try one day. And see, when you wake up tomorrow morning, not a single negative dream will arise. You will have sound sleep. Why? Mind is clean. Keep your mind clean. How? Even though we are not in forest. We are in front of all. In a gathering, you are meeting, you are looking till. Do not take. Give it. So if you are doing one day, so you see the result. That is called experience, is authority. Then we can teach or tell others with authority, I have done it. This is necessary. One, it is. But second part, early in the morning, intense meditation, full concentration is necessary to erase the negativity, negative habits, sanskars. So it requires power. The first what you have done, it is just precaution. And now, early in the morning and evening, when you will sit comfortably, not by force. Whatever I am doing, meditation not for others. It is for me. Not to show others. It is whatever I am doing for me. So with love, with interest, when you come and sit, See your ability, 15 minutes, half an hour, depends on your ability. Just you come and sit. What to do? Keep your eye open, see in one place, talk to you. The whole world is telling, activate your consciousness and connect with the Supreme Consciousness. How to activate? When you sit in meditation, what to do? Mind cannot be nil. Intellect cannot be nil. By sitting here, you will go many times in your home, in your job place. Intellect is very fast. It reminds you many things. So Baba said today, in meditation, where is Maya is coming from where? Why it is disturbing? Nothing is there. It is my own past habits, sanskars. They are emerging. They are coming from the door of intellect. Sometimes when you sit in meditation, we create positive thoughts. Yes, I am a soul. Baba, I am your very lovely child. Intellect is entrapting. Yes, I have to do something. Yes, what is Maya? From where the waste negative thoughts came? I am using my mind, but intellect is free. Free intellect is devil's workshop, not mind. Mind is there, so you are using your mind, creating. Intellect is not used. So Baba is telling, please attention. What is attention? Use your intellect. How? Just you sit, talk to you. Who am I? Wait. Intellect will give answer. If I am having this awareness, I am body, yes, this is my name. No, it is name of the body. I am not this. Ask once again, who am I? Oh yes, I am a soul. Second, if I am a soul, what is my form? Suddenly intellect will give. Yes, I am a white shining star sitting in the middle of forehead. Third, what are my qualities? Innate qualities and adopted qualities are there. Lust, anger, greed, they are not my qualities. That's qualities of the body, of 5 elements. I am a soul. I am having innate qualities. Yes, when I came from incorporeal world to corporeal world, I came pure. I came peaceful. We know there are 7 qualities. Teach yourself. Talk to you. Convince yourself. Remind yourself. Yes, I was this. I want to become like this today. One by one talk to you. Teach yourself. Convince yourself. Fourth, what I am doing? Yes, I am sitting in the middle of forehead. If I want to see, I can use my eyeballs here and there. No, when I am sitting in meditation, there is no use to see here and there. I am not a watchman. There is no need to watch here and there. What somebody is coming, somebody is going. No, I am sitting for myself, alone. Focus yourself. So what is my role? Yes, I used to use this body if I want to do some service, work. But now I should not. I am free, detached. I should not use my eye. I should not use my hand. There is no need. So why I am sitting here? To remember my father. Where is he? I came from where? These are the 5 questions. Always. Suppose if you are having mobile, I am also having mobile. You can talk to me. You can talk. You have mobile. I am also having. You can talk to me. No, number is necessary. Sometimes we say, yes, I remember I talked to my Baba. How? What is his number? How you talk to him? How your vibrations go to him? If it is possible, you talk to me. You have mobile. I am also having mobile. You talk to me. No, number is necessary. So when you dial these numbers, vibrations, frequency meet. So here also, these are the 5 numbers. Activate your consciousness. Who am I? Each day, in each Murli, you see Baba is using this word. Realize first. Realize yourself as a soul. It is very important. Without that, my vibrations cannot reach there. I am light. Vibrations are light. They will go to supreme light. If I am in body conscious, hours together I am sitting till the vibrations are not light. So that first it is very important whenever you sit 5 minutes, activate your consciousness. Who am I? Wait, from intellect it has to come. With understanding, the answer must come. It should not be repeated. With understanding power is in intellect. Who am I? Wait. What is my form? What are my qualities? One by one, slowly convince. Yes, I was that person. Complete pure. Once upon a time when I came, I was complete pure. Now I want to go back. I want to become just like that. When I came, I was complete peaceful. It is my original quality, original nature. Each day I have to remind. Each day I have to activate. Then what are my qualities? What is my function? What I am doing? Yes, whole day I am using this instrument. Now for half an hour, I should not use this car. I should not drive this car now. But I am sitting in the car. I have not left this. By sitting, do not use. By sitting here, I have to travel. Not along with car. Leave this car here. That's why it is said, it is a conscious travel. So I have to connect. Who is he now? Where you want to connect? Who is your father? Sometimes you give introduction, oh, my father is having this much of money, this much of land. So what your father is having? Why you want to remember him? Why you want to connect him? He is ocean of love. He is ocean of pure. He is ocean of peaceful. He is having 8 powers, almighty. Minimum, very important power, 8 powers he is having. Take one by one power. Do not ask. Compare yourself with your father. My father is in beyond. You cannot see. But when you dial from here to America, you can talk. But you cannot see. Your vibrations are going there. You are connected there. So when you activate yourself, talk to him. Who is my father? Yes, he is always pure. How he is pure? He is not having body. Yes, his mind is always creating pure thoughts. I am his child. I want to follow him. Baba, how you create always pure thoughts? You never have a single negative thoughts. Why I am your child. I want to follow you. I will do what you are doing. You never remember any bodily people. I am your child. I want to follow you. You are always peaceful. You never get angry. I am your child. From today onwards, I never get angry. I promise you. Talk to him. 10-15 minutes you sit, talk to him. Just we are sitting here. The heavy sun is outside. The sun rays never touch to me. If I want those sun rays, I have to take this body outside. When sun rays are falling on me, start sweating. This sun is removing the dust of the body. Start sweating. This sun, he is also a sun. Now you try. So it is clear how to activate yourself and how to connect. The word is used. What is meditation? The whole world is telling, activate your consciousness. How? So talk to you. So who will talk to whom? So I have to talk to myself. So mind is asking, whatever knowledge we are having, apply that knowledge. So application of knowledge is very important. So it is knowledgeful meditation, not dead, not sit nil. So you will start dozing, otherwise some other thoughts will come. So knowledgeful, apply knowledge. Which knowledge? There are many things. So when I am sitting in meditation, Baba has given the landmark. Baba has given the direction. System he has said, realize first yourself. Who am I? Yes, I am a soul. What is that soul? Your soul is just like a white shining star. Where is that? Sitting in the middle of forehead. So we cannot see with this physical eye. It is inside, in between hypothalamus and pituitary glands. So what are my qualities? One by one. Talk to you. Teach yourself. Yes. When I came on this earth, I was so clean and pure. I want to become. I have to go back. I cannot carry along with me even one drop of negative things. How I came, same form I have to go back. If something is there, I have to pay for that. It is a punishment. That's what Baba said. Along with me, Dharmaraj is there, is my right hand. So cleanness is one who clean 100% complete. And it is possible. He said, he came. He said, I am the doctor is telling, I will cure you. He is promising. So he is giving promise to us. I came to purify you. Just you listen to me. I am not putting pressure on you. Whole day be free. Morning 10-15 minutes. Activate yourself. Morning you take one tablet. But as per my direction, not as per my will and wish. No, I like it. No, he has given direction. This tablet you have to take on empty stomach. You will say, oh, stomach is only one. I like it. After breakfast I will take. No, it never work. It never give you result. For everything, a systematic effort. The system, when you sit, talk to you. Convince yourself. So when you are asking, intellect is ready to give answer. If you are not asking, idle intellect will go here and there. So we say, in other words, Baba is telling, Maya, waste thoughts. From where? Which door it is entering? Close this door. Use that power. Do not leave that power free to activate my own past habits. Keep yourself, mind and intellect busy. If you are keeping them busy, channelize them. So take from here to there and connect. Talk to him. So when take one by one his power. Who is he? He is always pure. How he is pure? Why I am impure? What I have to do? Baba said always, Baap Saman, just like me. How is my father? How I want to become like him? Talk to him. He will teach. He will guide. He will help. He came to teach us. So 5-10 minutes if you are connected, so we are charging. See this, minimum 1 month depends on the depth of the impression. How much deep it is, it requires time. Minimum 1 month, maximum 6 months, 1 year. Regularly if you are doing 10-15 minutes, see, again and again negative dreams are coming, which I do not like it. They are coming from where? It is my own past action. See, day by day they will going to erase. They never activate. Sometimes some dream used to come regularly. Now you see after 15 minutes, 15 days, after 1 month, after 1 year, and it will disappear. Because you are cleaning it. The process is going on. So he said, if you follow this process, I came to erase it, to purify. That is our aim. Why you came in this hospital? To cure the disease, not just to see the doctor. Is it? To follow him, what he is telling, what direction he is giving. If by his direction, if I am taking medicine, I can see that result. So very simple. There are two types. So while going, coming, see others. Do not ignore. Maybe poor, maybe very bad, maybe very good, till Baba's child. It is a love. Love each and how you love. Love is what? I know. Even the body is very ugly, very dirty. Till, yes, he is Baba's child. Understanding this cannot be seen as shining star in the middle of forehead. Understanding is there. Nobody is Ravan's child here. Yes, any Ravan's child on this earth? No, all Shubh Baba's children. This is understanding. With this understanding, when I see, yes, Baba, he is your child. You have to guide him. I have only right to request you, that's all. What is good wishes? Only I request, because I cannot reach. I cannot do that. Now I am not that much powerful. And he said, use me. I know my children are very weak. I came to help you. Take use from me. This, like this way, if you are doing 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, what power we collect? It is sweet silence. We are talking, mind and intellect is working, not nil. So from here to there, you are gone talking to him. It is called conscious travel. It is called sweet silence. Not mind is nil, not intellect is nil. Use them systematically. So what power you gain? That power is silence power. With this, you see your intellect is clean, heart is clean. So whatever Murli we listen, we remember, yes, Baba said today this. Yesterday Baba said this. 1 month before Baba said this. The clean pot is clean, heart is clean. In clean heart, we can keep these jewels. Otherwise we remember, we listen, we read many times. Till we cannot remember. When the situation comes, we forget. Because it is properly not recorded. The intellect, the pot, that heart is not so clean. To store this, when you connect, that power also, power and knowledge, both are having. So any situation, mind is naughty. Anything may come, any situation will come. You can face, we can tolerate, we can adjust, okay, let go. That power and knowledge, both we are having. Where I have to argue, where I have to tolerate, where I have to adjust, not everywhere I have to adjust. Not every time I have to leave, forget. Somebody will say, oh, foolish. No. Where I have to tolerate, that intellect, that clean intellect will decide, give you judgment. That discrimination power will come. Because he said, I am the purifier. How much second I am connecting with him, that I have to record. Then charging start. I am sitting from hours together, but only connected 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 second, 2 seconds. How many seconds I am connecting with powerhouse, then start charging. Sitting is not counted. Otherwise sometimes we say, I sit for hours together. Yes, you are here, but where you are connected? Connected somewhere else. So connect with the powerhouse. Right? Convince? So this is power. Go in the depth of self. So similarly, when you listen Murli, that you will remember. If you are taking bath, if you are eating, if you are sitting, walking, then your intellect will churn what Baba said today. What is the meaning of this? How I have to apply this? When I have to apply this? How long I have to apply this? So you will churn naturally. It is there. It will work. Go on, store. Each day, do not store many things. One drop of positive thought sufficient. As per your choice. No, you have to do this only. No, there is no hard and fast rule. As per your liking. In each Murli there are 4 subjects. Somebody like meditation, somebody like service, somebody like only Baba's direction. Depends on your will and aim of life. Select one drop. Convince yourself how I have to do this. How long I have to do this. Prepare for that. And when the situation may come today, may not come. It may come after 1 year. Yes, the weapon is ready. Any situation may come, you can apply it. If weapon you are having, but we do not know how to apply it, the practice is very important. Prepare for that. Just leading, just listening is not everything. Sometimes we collect plenty of information, notes. When you will going to read? When you will going to read? When you apply it? Eat less, listen few things, as per your choice, select and talk to you, teach yourself. And when you meet others, discuss with that. Do not go with worldly matters. Do not share your own things. Share definitely what you are thinking, what Baba has given today. Ask, what is your opinion on this? Talk definitely, but only share today's Murli point. So we are creating sanskar, habit. Share with others positive things. Possible or difficult? This is spiritual power. This is power of silence. This will charge you. This will make you, yes, I can face, I can tolerate, I can forgive, whatever may happen, because that power is necessary. And knowledge also, how long, how much, where I have to adjust, not everywhere else, where I have to tolerate completely, where sometimes I have to let go, forgive. That decision, a clean, knowledgeful intellect, the heart will do it. Okay? Convince? If you want to ask anything, you can ask. If it is not convinced, by chance I may be fast today. I think as per my understanding I am very slow, but maybe some words may miss sometimes. So if anything is not clear, so you have chance to ask. Anybody want to ask anything?
Any questions? Please come forward. If you
now all are convinced. So if you are convinced, now check with these 5 points, you repeat, because you should not forget otherwise. Just to sit and repeat these 5 questions. Who am I? With yourself. So meditation, when you say mind and intellect, you start from here. Otherwise, if you dial a wrong number, you may say, oh, mind, Baba is not lifting the phone. Your number is not right. Yes, so it must be verified. Okay, just in white light you will do. Otherwise, red light comes, start dozing. Yes, 2 minutes we will do meditation, then.